Hello students, it is our part 6. In this part we are going to solve exercise 2.4. I already explained what is how to divide fraction numbers in our part 2nd. So in this part we are going to directly solve the question, some question from the exercise. So let's begin with question number 1. See, our question number 1, 12 divided by 3 upon 4. It is a question related to division. As I explained in our second video, first write 12 upon 1, put 1 by yourself, then sign of multiply and reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is became 4 upon 3 because direct division is not possible, so we have to make a reciprocal. If it is possible to cut a numerator and a denominator, cut it, so we can do it 3 ones are 3 fours are. Now numerator should be multiplied with the numerator, denominator should be multiplied with the denominator. 4 fours are 16, 1 ones are 1 is equal to 16. See question number second. First we will write 3 divide 2 1 upon 3 is given. We do two things. We write upon 1, 3 upon 1. We put 3 upon 1 on the we write ourselves. Then we convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. Now for divide we have to write 3 upon 1 sign of multiply and reciprocal of 7 upon 3. So it became 3 upon 7. Now numerator multiply with the numerator, denominator multiply with the denominator. 3 sevens are 21, sorry, 3 threes are 9, 1 sevens are 7. So our answer is 9 upon 7. Now our second question. In second question, first we have to find out the reciprocal of given fraction, and then we have to find that it is a proper fraction or improper fraction or a whole number. So let's start with the first question. The fraction is given 3 upon 7. So the reciprocal of 3 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 3 because we have to turn the number. So rotate the number. So 7 goes up, 3 comes down. Now in this fraction, the numerator is bigger, the denominator is smaller, so it is a improper fraction. Second question, reciprocal of 5 upon 8. When we write the reciprocal of 5 upon 8, it became 8 upon 5. Numerator is bigger, denominator is smaller, so it is a improper fraction. Question 3, 9 upon 7, reciprocal 7 upon 9. Numerator is smaller, denominator is greater, so it is a proper fraction. Question number 4, 6 upon 5, reciprocal 5 upon 6, a proper fraction. Fifth, as it is, now the sixth one, 1 upon 8. So when we make a reciprocal, 8 goes up and 1 comes down. So there is no need to write 1 upon any number, so it's become a whole number. Same with question number 6, 1 upon 11. When we write in the reciprocal form, 11 goes up, 1 came down, so it is only a whole number. So we write here the whole number. Now let's start our question number 3rd. The first question of question number 3rd is 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So we write here 7 upon 3 as it is, sign of division, and we put 1 upon 2. Now for division we have to write the sign of multiply and reciprocal of second fraction is become 1 upon 2. Numerator multiply with the numerator, denominator multiply with the denominator. 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6. So our answer is 7 upon 6. Question 3, sum number fifth, 3 1 upon 2 divide with the 4. So it is given in the mixed fractional form. So convert into simple fraction. So we get 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2 divide with 4 upon 1. Next step, 7 upon 2 multiply with 1 upon 4. 7 ones are 7, 2 fours are 8. So our answer is 7 upon 8. Let's see our last question of exercise. Question number 4. Divide 2 upon 5 with 1 upon 2. The same method we use in the previous question we use here. We write 2 upon 5 as it is. Sign of multiply and reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1. Numerator multiply with the numerator. So we get 2 2s are 4. 5 ones are 5. Our answer is 4 upon 5. In question number 4, the first part is given in the form of a mixed fraction. So convert that mixed fraction into simple fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Multiply. Reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. Numerator multiply with the numerator. Denominator multiply with the denominator. So what we get? 7 5s are 35. 3s are 9. It is our answer.